Tired of chasing trends that don't pay off? What if I told you there are YouTube niches in 2025 that are not only high-paying, but also have massive growth potential? Stick around, because today I'm revealing 10 unique skills you need to dominate these lucrative niches and turn your channel into a money-making machine. In 2025, YouTube isn't just a platform for entertainment. It's a goldmine for creators who have the right skills and know how to target the right audiences. Whether you're into tech, health, or even luxury lifestyle, these skills will help you stand out, attract a loyal following, and earn serious income. Number 1. AI content creation. The AI niche is exploding in 2025. Learn how to make videos about AI tools, tutorials, and how they can solve real-world problems. AI companies and tech brands are willing to sponsor creators. Number 2, personal branding expertise. People are drawn to authenticity. Learn personal branding techniques to position yourself as an expert in niches, like how to grow on YouTube or how to earn money online. Brands and course platforms love creators who know how to market themselves effectively. Number 3, automation tutorials. Automation is a hot topic. Create content showing viewers how to automate tasks using AI, tools like Zapier, or productivity hacks. These videos appeal to entrepreneurs and businesses, which are high-paying audiences. Number 4, online income strategies. Videos about earning money online are evergreen. Learn how to research and present methods like freelancing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or content monetization. These niches attract massive views and premium sponsorships. Number 5, educational content creation. Educational channels are thriving. Learn how to teach complex topics in simple, engaging ways, whether it's tech tutorials, language learning, or life skills. Platforms like Skillshare or Udemy. Number 6, YouTube growth mastery. Everyone wants to grow on YouTube. Share tips on how to create viral content, optimize channels, and monetize videos. This niche attracts sponsors like editing software companies and marketing tools. Number 7, social media strategy. Social media marketing is in high demand. Teach viewers how to grow their presence on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Companies in the digital marketing space are eager to collaborate with creators offering value in this area. Number 8, high-quality editing for tutorials. Master editing techniques that make your educational or money-making videos professional and engaging. Premium editing attracts a higher-paying audience and sponsors. Number 9, tools, software reviews. Reviewing tools for creators, entrepreneurs, or tech enthusiasts is a goldmine. Whether it's AI tools, video editing software, or productivity apps, affiliate marketing and sponsorships can drive big income in this niche. Number 10, building communities. Viewers love feeling part of something bigger. Learn how to create community-driven content, such as live content sessions, workshops, or forums. Engaged communities attract long-term sponsorships and premium membership opportunities. High-paying YouTube niches in 2025 aren't just about content. They're about solving problems, teaching skills, and building connections. Which of these skills are you excited to learn first? Drop a comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more tips to grow your YouTube channel and income.